Afternoon. Big Red here. Well, I have something real unique I want to show you here today. I think you'll enjoy looking at it. This is a 48-inch digital box level with case. It's made by Empire, and I've been using this thing for about the last 2 weeks trying to get familiar with it. I want to show you some of the functions of it and how to use it here right quick. So anyway, it comes with 48 inches long, and it has three analog vials with it, bubble vials, like any other box level. But what makes this one different is the digital displays it has here. One is on the top for viewing overhead. You can still see the digital dial there. And it's got one on the side view, which is your main one. And anyway, let me show you some of the functions of this machine here, of this tool here. Let me kind of zoom in on this and see if you can see it a little better. Okay. Okay, here's the on-off switch for it. You just press it on there, and I believe it defaults to degrees measurement, 0 degrees there. And it's got several different modes. It has 3 different levels of accuracy for degrees. It's got 2 different levels of accuracy for imperial measurements of inches per feet. It's got one for metric, millimeters per meter. It also has one for percentage and percent slope. So about anything that you want to measure, it can measure it. And you just kind of go through the mode dial there. You can get to all those. There's the degrees and tenths. There's degrees and hundredths. And there's it's got 7 different modes there you can go through. But anyway, it also has a couple other unique features that I think. One of them is an inspect mode. And in the inspect mode, you can, if you have a certain angle that you're wanting to verify, like a 30-degree slope, you can zero the thing on 30-degree slope and press the inspect button. Then all your other measurements along that slope will have to zero out. In other words, you don't have to look at 30 degrees on, continuously. You can zero it out, and then if it's you can tell if it's out of slope by just listening to the beeps, which is another feature it has. And this one right here is your beeps, and it'll start beeping within two degrees plus or minus of the of zero line. And at the 0, it's almost a continuous beep. So as you can see, as I pull it up, okay, as I get closer to 0, it goes faster, and it also beeps solid tone there when it goes to 0. On the other side, it does the same thing, but it's a slightly different frequency of tone. Okay, so you can easily zero, but just by listening to the sound. We'll turn that off here. Then it has 2 different levels of lighting. There's the low level, there's the high level, and you can also you can read the side view or the top view. And the top view is real good for overhead use. You can still see your digital signal. And it also has a function where if you want to hold a value, say you're wanting a certain slope on there, you can hold that value and click on the hold button. It'll hold that value there so you can review it later. So and also it's also automatic calibrating when you turn the machine on. It self-calibrates, and I believe it's also milled to 5/10,000ths of an inch on the surface here, so very accurate. And you can remove these end caps if you want to do that, to use it as a line marker. So anyway, a lot of functions on this box level here. So anyway, if you're in the market for a new box level, give this Empire Digital 48-inch box level with case a look. Hope you like it.